Here's Paul from Masterforex.com, and welcome to the weekly review of 4 major forex pairs based on Masterforex-V Technical analysis. As every weekend, I'm going to take a look at 4 pairs. That's EURUSD, British Pound, Australian Dollar, and Canadian Dollar against US Dollar. Before we proceed, don't forget to read through the risk disclaimer. It is very important. Click the pause button and read through if you need some more time. Also, for those who is watching for the first time these reviews, in each of those weekend reviews, I'm showing you or I'm sharing with you my strategic direction for those 4 forex pairs. So that's the 30% of my trading plan. Tactics and trading system you can learn by joining the training program of rmpforex.com. And here I'm sharing with you the strategic direction, the direction that I will be using or that I will be trading the whole upcoming week. So let's start with EURUSD. For this pair, D1 trend is D1 level is still in a trend phase. If you remember, this FZR created the trend phase up, and this pivot here is protecting the D1 trend up. As long as this pivot is not broken, this trend up will proceed. Just D1 trend is a bit too high time frame for me. I trade intraday, so I usually use H4 time frame to decide about strategic direction. If you remember my last review, which was recorded here, I was saying that this pivot here protects the H4 trend up, and as long as this pivot is not broken, I will be using my trend following trading system and trade with that trend up. But for this moment, in here you can see it better from H1 was created a pivot point that was protecting this trend up. So this trend has stopped at the moment, this wave here, and for now, for me to come back and trade with this trend up, I need this pair to renew the high. So I will just stay away from this pair for time being and just wait until it breaks through the new highs. If we will come back here and break through this pivot, then this pair will come back into D1 flat phase. But for me, I will just wait and see what will happen. Next pair is British Pound. And again, if you watched my last review, I mentioned last time this pivot here, and I said that as long as this pivot is not broken, the impulse down for this pair is still developing. So as you can see, the impulse is broken, and now we have a flat face of D1 level. Again, D1 level is a bit too high for me, and you can see here we have a H4 FZR up. So for me, it means that this pair is back to a H4 trend phase, and I can start using my trend following trading system for starting from Monday. This pivot here protects the trend up, and as long as this pivot is not broken, I will be using my trend following trading system. Once we will break through this pivot, then this pair will come back into a H4 flat phase as well. So it will be a H4 flat inside the D1 flat. But for now, the pivot is not broken, and starting from Monday, I'll be looking for some buy positions with this pair. Next pair is Australian dollar. Don't forget that we have here an FZR of weekly time frame, and this pair is in a long-term trend up. For D1, for this trend to come back into a trend phase, we need to break through this high. So once we break through it, weekly time frame level and D1 time frame level will match, and we will have trends of both time frames. Again, for me, for my trading, I choose my strategic direction based on H4. And if you remember my last review, I was saying about this FZR here. You can see we broke through, we made that FZR, and then straight after that, we broke through this pivot, and we came back to a flat phase, which was a bit wider. And straight after that, on Friday, we broke through here again. For me, each pip is important. So this double top, I count it as a breaking through. So now I have an FZR like this. of H4. And for this trend up, this pivot here is protecting that trend up, that wave. And as long as this pivot is not broken, I will be using my trend following trading system and looking for some new buy positions. Hopefully this FZR will go and help break through the D1 new high, and then we will have a trend phase of all three time frames, and I can earn some money from it. We'll see what will happen. For this moment, this is my reference point. That's it for this pair. Next pair is Canadian dollar against US dollar. Again, if you remember, we have here a long-term trend down of weekly time frame level. You can also see here we have an FZR of D1 happened on Friday. And if you go even deeper into H4, you will also see that here we have an FZR, a new FZR of H4. So this is the pair where we have weekly, daily, and H4 timeframes all showing down. For me, it is only sell positions, and for the whole upcoming week, I will be looking only for some sell positions using my trading system. Let's try to find some reference points. This pivot here is protecting this trend down, so as long as this pivot is not broken, I'll be using my trend following trading system. Once we break through it, this pair will come back into H4 flat phase. But for now, it's a trend phase down, and as they say, trend is your friend, and I'm trying to catch the trends. I find trends the most profitable places to trade. So this is it, guys, for this time. I hope this video will give you some new ideas. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to comment them in the comment section below. For those who is not subscribed yet, here is the subscribe button for you. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I wish you all good luck, and see you upcoming week and next weekend.